of the big pussy girl, me get up, you see. All of the big pussy girl, let me over king mix up a chat off them mouth. Me talk already. And all of the boy, let me come like a batty man. Me say me talk already. Me talk already a pussy them pussy on the 16. So you see all who over king mix up paid some big pussy girl we attack, and that's what if you do. When you see me downtown and thump in my mouth. Some big pussy girl and some boy with a talk. Me don't talk already. So all of them me does we can see. We over there comment and a chat off in the mouth. And someone come talk about makeup orange for orange. No for fool, no blood clot. I don't have no sense. Never to say that me house of the lighting. If you want orange up to me, nobody who can please black people when come bite and dice no blood clot and suck no matter. Me I want ugly dance on if you please. Nobody at all. Everything you find fault, everything you comment. You know something with this and class, you know. Me done so then this 6 already, so all who over blood clot and I can mix up here, they put up your comment and attack. You know come hold me and charm me and double up my body peg. Yeah. And all who talk about makeup orange and rare. Pussy you don't have no sense, you know, so they like me and if you want orange up to me, I want it orange, because I like orange, you go suck on man. You know, me not live for please, black dirty people. Una some black dirty wicked. All that who that chat me no care. Me say them this the 6 them. And I that me say. So you don't know me, you don't come back from my face and talk my mouth drunk crow. Cause I know me not have good words. I want dirty girl over king mix up a comment about how much. Them have to move in blood clot. Me not have no blood clot to move, girl. If it's my blood clot, you want to move it, you come eat it with the teeth and move it. Go away. I want to move on a blood clot and go away. You don't think me live for please black people? Drunk crow. I don't have to be natural face white. Drunk or nothing say I bleach me, I bleach I have 3 color and I reach done yet. Drunk or nothing say I mix G&G with BioClear, I'm not done comment, I just start bleach. Dog shit, no smell my face white. But you know say my neck already did blood clot black. Dog or nothing say I just bleach, me just a bleach, I'm not done reach yet. Drunk or nothing me live for please black people. When I can come bite and dice and slice like a sardine pan. You know me not have good words in my blood clot mouth. Me done say them this is 6 already. So who don't like your message on the time me this out to no blood clot. Drunk crow. You must think me live for please black people. Dog you must see my face a bleach and part white and part blood clot black. Idiot dirty people. When they come talk about orange. When I say orange over there so dog shit. Idiot dirty people. You know see me a bleach and 2 color me not done rich. You know see me just mix a G&G and BioClear me not done blood clot rich yet. You don't know me is a ugly dirty face to dog I don't care. You don't think me like you know me cuss out anybody on social media because I don't care what you want to say about blood clot me. You don't can't buy me and eat me because you don't know feed me a blood clot. Me done so this the 6 already. So all of the big nasty stink to a boy them they comment and talk you come beat me. And all of the big sour pussy girl them you come bite me. And go get a pack of blank and wash out on a big stink hole. Me see one big dirty girl come talk about them if you moving blood clot. Girl in my time I month yet. So me can't move my blood clot. I just say my blood clot while I move I take a teeth and move it up. Go ahead. What do you know? You don't know I care zero in me blood clot talk. And who care who are criticize me because you know me not care drunk crow. You know so me just start bleach I'm not done rich. Dog, you know blind. Say half of my blood clot face white and half black. You know me just start bleach I'm not reach yet. Drunk or me just come me not reach yet. So when you not come talk off no mouth. You know can't please black people. All my makeup look good and flawless. You know have to find fault. Some of you just want to press up on the phone button and right. Some of you don't say come like a Jamal. Move on the blood clot and go. Some of you just drive for social media to press some phone. Some of you phone scream ugly and foggy. That's all nasty good. Some of you if you go buy a good phone. Suck on the mama and go and know a woman who can rampid me. Move on the blood clot and go. Me don't say them this is 6 already. And anybody boy when I like me say that when I not see me in my face. Pussy wall, you know. And someone if you go buy a good phone. All my makeup sit down and look good, not have a problem. Me not leave you please black people. Pussy! You know see me a bleach and me not done reach yet. Pussy! You know see up in my face as a white and round as a black. Pussy I me not have no makeup now. You know love find blood clot fault. Nobody can please you know go suck on the man someone and buy good phone. Someone who camera blood clot lens no good. Go! You come bite me and charm me. You know how me? You can't give me no chat because you know me no care when me blood clot talk. And anybody want to take me and take me on. Me say them this the blood clot system. No performance could have cut short. Whenever relevant and blood clot necessary. And me say it already and me go say it again 6 is real. Who no like me come beat me because nobody can tell me what to say or what to do. Because me in my own blood clot skin. And I change your piece and my color not done change yet. But those we are going to keep mixing up and someone attack and attack. Drunk crow, look, if you don't see my face white and my neck black. Me the bleach, me not reach yet. Me not reach yet. Dog. Someone if you go buy blood clot good camera screen but not talk about face orange. Eh? When girl look good, you can't just press no finger and say girl look good. You finger Gigi and nervous and you can't say girl did come out. You think me live please black people. Me I want ugly dirty dancer when no care, no can come bite me and kiss me pussy and back the blood clot jar. You know when me talk, me no care. Oh, you know when the old dance you talk, me no care, move on the blood clot. So whole heap of either performance or you could have cut short for the system. Blood clot performance could have cut short. You know if you go I me no care when me talk. Me no care when me blood clot talk. Cause none of you not put food on my table. Only somebody me care about when me talk. If them back, I'm my blood clot rasta. Suck on the mama and go. You know mind and close and feed me. No performance could have cut short. Me see one some big pussy girl and boy. When me they talk for King Mix, I come comment. And I come talk about. Me see some 30 people I come talk about face orange. Face blood clot orange. Me a PNP. Suck on them. Blood clot. I will rub on the out, you know. Drunk on the look. See it there. Dark shit, you know, say me a bleach and me not done reach yet. Drunk and me just start bleach and I come white. Me a bleach, me not done reach yet, me just start bleach. We don't find too much fault. Someone on social media when come for someone on a blood clot type. And someone on the phone no good at blood clot. Someone on the camera lens no good. We don't come suck me out. You don't know me not nice, you know. You don't know me not nice. So you don't know no comment and make me say. Can me go and go class out to the blood clot and that me say. They must fight the blood clot you them. Cause only if I eat their performance and there's some first I could have cut short. Suck on the mother and go. Think me response when me talk. You think me response when me talk. Uno dirty haters. When you come up on me live. When you come up on me live. Uno run come blood clot look up in a yassa. Uno haters run come look up in a yassa. Drunk crow when me attack. All of the haters them. Uno run come look up in a me body hole. Drunk crow. Dog. Uno can't tell me what to talk say. Uno can't tell me what to talk say. Move on the blood clot and fight them the youth them. Go ahead, some of the big long time artists them could have go sit down and cut them performance shop. Youth them perform. Me no care when me talk. Move on the pussy hole and go ahead. All the thing gonna go say, Diamond ugly and stay bad. Me feel ugly and stay bad. Me supposed to ugly and stay bad. And me man need me. And that's why me take cute man catch you me ugly. So me carry me off. Move on the blood clot and go ahead. What you know about me? I'm a class, so no. You know, see my face blood clot white, me the bleach and me not done reach, cause part of me white and part of me black. Move no blood clot, me a Sierra face and PJ body. Who vex? Talk to me now. Blood clot, do you know? What do you?
Oh my God, I'm going to accept it.
Where key there? Well, I done Jay, make soon look for keep it up near gate. Me soon look for keep it up near gate, me and come attack. That clot don't know. Nah look pa uno. I still understand people talk to you to have a blood clot problem. And me no care. I care zero. Oh, you mean King Mix up when me talk you post anything you want post. And when they go over there and say nothing bad but me go over there, go cuss out to no blood clot. Go ahead. I think me care when me talk. This a ugly dance, you know, care a blood clot. And none of you not stop my black Virginia. None of you move no blood clot. Me no want nice, you know. And me no want cute. That's why me look a cute man for carry me off. Move no blood clot. Where? Me's a old dance. I me no care me talk anything what me want talk. I me no like cuteness. Cute girl in a blood clot club are so cocky. Me like me ugliness. Cause me like ugliness, cause my face don't look good as so cocky. You know, come eat me out. Bumbo clot, do no. Me no no live for nobody at all, a blood clot. Me no live for people. Cause you can't please black people, a blood clot. And that's why Spice and come with this song about black hypocrisy. Me can't even call the name good. Me talk to him, me just rub off 2 bleachings, you know. I look on blood clot, Uno is quite alright. Uno is quite alright. You hear me tell you no? Ask Christ, you can't please dirty black people. Uno blood clot is me a bleach. Look, see my face white and it done so black, I'm not done reach yet. Eh? You come like, Uno see me the bleach, I'm not done reach yet. Uno see, I just start bleach, me not reach yet. Some on the phone camera fogging a blood clot. More foggy up some on the phone scream. More when some on the wake up and think a nightmare Freddy Pa LM blood clot street. You don't know, more frightened some on the dirty social media people. More when I'm lift up on the phone and I see me on the phone drop and bust. Bow! Suck on the mother. Where? Drunk crow. When I think me live for people, me not live for nobody at all. When me talk, me no blood clot care. They must fight the young artists there. Me not look pound no. Move on no blood clot. Some performance could have been stay. And the 6 them could have been perform. A spite. I'm set already. So you no like me beat me. Me have my own opinion and you can't stop me from chat. Think me care about people. You don't know what I mean, I care. You don't know what I mean, I care. You can't tell me nothing to hurt my feelings. Because you can't live for blood clot, please, dirty black people. If your face too black, then quarrel. If you bleach, yes, you bleach out and ugly. You can't come suck me big toe. I want to rub it off right now with little oil. Bye. Drunk crow. Now look for you. Suck on the mother and go away. Take me live for you. Rub on some maxillite, you know. No. Rub on some maxillite, you know. Next, you know. Drunk crow. It's alright, you know. No. Uno is a blood clot, right? Ask Christ, right? Just so. You rub out as somebody come. Somebody come, a black a go. House now be like colored clothes I wear. Where? Rub out. Me have my water party 25th of catching hard. Remember that big ads I made with the trolley? Me the rub out go no one wicked artist here for the party there. Nah, so we black I go black history month down there now. Me the rub out. So who no like me dead? Drop asleep and awake. Me want scare on no blood clot like Jason. Me have Friday the 13th. I couldn't move and go away. I want to know about that. Right, you know. Am I right? I look for you now. You don't think me live for please people. No, set on my blood clot pot. Me say the 6 them should have perform. So anybody no like when me talk, pussy when you see me thumb in my face. Pussy wall you know. Suck on the mama and go away. Make the artists them perform. And the body what them shady. That's why some of them feel know how to perform and know how to talk, say. And know how to go up on big stage and perform good and heap a dirty word. Then they don't know how to perform. Some of them are running on performance shady. I don't know how to perform. Then when they get training, then blood clot train before they go up on the stage. I know how to say. That's why some of them feel love performance and start running it down. Some of them must think a blood clot. Run on one place, then they run on one part of dance and then grab one mic and talk anything. Shady, they never get training. Then if you go to the class them shady, the response. Them are wicked, them banter you. Them the class out them blood clot shady. Me no care. The class them to shady. They could have cut some of the big long time artists them performance to shady. The class them. I mean the young youth them blood clot perform. Be the wait for the 6 them to hear what them have to say. Me nah lie, me did want to hear daddy one. Cause me want daddy one drop the G at Johnny Bio clear and all these things. But me run out with my face and spread out so. I'm buck I don't know. Me class them out me artist. You know me they done them as some stay. You know what I mean? He's a madman and me talk truth. So, man. What's up, me not get fear daddy one song, G&G and Bio Clear. Burn me. What's the club? My tune that. Suck them, Then they get band training and no say. I don't know, look at the dance out place, then go cuss bad word. Some of them do it for spite to me and go. Move them blood clot and go. I like them clean or shiny, they go. Some of them are so wicked. I saw they used to banter them to some time at some place and go like they could have hold on your character shiny. And I lie me they tell. So they used to go and can banter you to them. Are wicked. Business me they class them. Enough bad word cuss up there. Whole heap cuss up there. And then make you bypass. See me and make other performance go on. Whole heap. Eh? No, me not call you. Me don't know me gate key there. Me I go look for. Me I come. Rub out my skin. Don't have put on my face bleachings and now. And put on my stocking and my socks. Cause black now wear for this summer colored clothes I wear, my love. Where black I go, house now be the right now. It's summer with color. Yeah. So any boy I get the end of the life, yeah. When I like when time it talk pussy, you no check out on yourself. You no delete her from life. And when me done talk, who want pussy again, who want comment and I comment. When me go over there, go this out to no blood clot. Cause I know me not afraid. No fight, them fighter to Shani. That's true. So you sing a song, say, all them a fight. Say, the whole, you never sing a better song. If you go Shani, me they class them out, Shani, me they class them out. Them love fight the young artists, them with good talent. Cause whole heap a fight, them fight you. I know them still a fight you. Cause you still not get your good, real boss. If you get all know me artists. If you go, me they done them training, me they class them out. Everywhere. Sometimes some of them are big old artists have to go sit down. Just like how me a big old long time dancer. I may sit down make some young one come in. And so the big old long time artists them sit down sometimes when a young boy them come in too. I true Cheney. I true him for himself. To hype. And look upon him too. Lord clot. Grieve me, Cheney. Grave me. Cause I said if you didn't get to perform, Shani, someone that come by you can chop and go on to. A good thing you get for your performance. Cause if you ever get for your performance, Shani, at that time they are wicked by life. They are wicked upon the life. Any you didn't get for your performance, Shani, at that time they are wicked. At that time they would have gone bad. Sure. My sister you get for your performance, you know. She didn't make you never get for go up there. You don't hear about it. When me done pan this year. When them see me around, then I must shoot at me. Them fi go man. Blood clot, I think me care. See him like how me a old dancer. And me blood clot get one side and the young one them come in. Some of the old big man artists them fi get one side, but the young boy them run road. Blood clot. Or jogging, me say Shani, make you never get fear performance. Make you never get fear. At that time you don't hear about it. Lord, them have sense. Them have sense here, yeah, make sure them send up you. Them make sure them send up you. Oh, cause them know it to that go. Come like them in a smell the rat, them make sure you get your turn. Cause when me done pass so this morning, all me blood clot gold teeth to that drop out of my head. When me done this morning if you ain't work. Move and go man, me a talk truth. Anytime me talk truth, you no vex. Go. Sometimes we all have to go one side sometime and put on ourselves. And make young people and new people come in and we enjoy them performance and sit down and laugh and rap back and say, yeah. See somebody a walk in my footstep there. You know if you go man. When people are talk truth to no go like say bono no. You think me care? Me no care. All me see a new dancer coming right and them say diamond this and diamond. Me no care. Cause me have dancer when me like and like sit down and watch and say, yeah girl, go on with this. Remember me no dancer, you know. Me all inclusive. Me I entertain people. Cause me can't go up head, you know. Me is a comic strip and I entertainer. Me all inclusive, you know. Oh. So what I say? Me all and part myself at one place, I want part and sit down and watch two young here. Show down them body and flick and go on and live in that one image and me feel good and say, yeah. So the old boy them to sit down, make the young boy them step into some time and bumbo clad. Cause some of my performance them in the past year never necessary to galang so long neither. Spite. But they go cost bad with a spite purpose. Them line it up and set it up. Look how much bad will cost for a night. Why when a time this squash profile the bad will happen and so the bad will cut it off. Move on the blood clot and go. When you come suck me out, dog. Pussy hole and go. I look down, you know. Response when me talk. You just enough where Kenny. Response when me talk, Kenny. Me talk and bite and go and bad this man. Me see some pussy. Over King mix up a comment and a chat off them out like them think me response. Me no respond boy girl boy me talk and me no fuck scout. So when you see me downtown you lick on my head side. Yeah? How it go? How it go? Blood clot do no. Come go in at the town, you know. Go get me market things and go through them. Cause me go sleep when night they come down. I mean, I like a market late, you know. Me can't riff-raff things again. Hear what me I say? Me they come hang up, you know. I mean, they go rub on me little cream, you know. Put on me stacking on a plastic bag, you know. Go over market, go get 2 dogs. Yeah. For me dinner tomorrow. Now have it time for no. Cause through me sleep where and just awake. Them knows that the 6 them ain't go shit. Them knows that the 6 them ain't go bust the place like an earthquake. The 6 them ain't go bust the place like an earthquake. The man them ain't go shake up the blood clot ground. Me not tell a lie credit like I want song about everything I sell. I'm when like you want hear me still vex. Blood clot and go. Yes, me a country girl. Who vex? Me a country girl go suck your with class here, you know, dirty people. Them bias it true, Shady, you can't follow my dirty people up on the live, you know. You can't follow my dirty people up on the live. Cause some of them just went well, some of them no used to blood clot social media, Shady. Then just want to see somebody live, it make them finger the trimmer with ping pong. With them dirty phone and fag, you know what it takes, say. With them camera lens on look good. Me hear them say Shady, so some of them are dirty people are stay. Some of them just want to see people go up on live. To come over here and shut off them dirty mouth. Some of them go brush on the dirty teeth with bleach. Me did want to see him to Kenny Hill. Me did want to see Daddy one. Me not tell no lie, me want. Me like the G&G and buy a clear stuff. Me want Daddy one job. Bex. I mean like credit like blood clot. So we say everything I sell and buy and blood clot. Me want to hear it. Go out to them. No say 6 men go rocky place like an earthquake. True word for that in Dutch. I don't like Shane a purpose in do it for. Cause when the man them turn, if me carry me talk. Response when me talk, you know. When I response when me talk. Blood clot and go. Suck on no mother. When people talk on our run, go put up on blood clot. When the people put up on our run, go comment and shut off on them. Some man are 6 liar than them something. Some man way sound this and that. They are go suck on the mother. Right beside me say. You can't bite me. Pussy. Suck on the mother. Me want to see 6 them profile me. Bex. Pussy them. Lucky you to make shiny profile. Else me don't know what would happen. My gold teeth that drop out this today. That me I tell you when me done talk something. Why about Shane if you blame promoters? Which promoters? With class all you know to you know, me go buy my little dogs and dogs in my market, you know. Me go buy my little dogs and dogs in my market and come back. Buy me little dogs and dogs in my market, cause right, I'm not like a market at evening time. Can you get riff-raff? Me go be soon come back, me go buy me 2 little dogs and dogs and get me 2 little ghosts in my place. Cause me have to make my body fit and sturdy in a blood clot. For you dirty people, for you to talk to me back, me turn it round for you. Beat it, so. Move on the blood clot and go. Bye.